Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to replace or change a string of characters in Python without using the replace function. This is one of the frequently asked interview questions. So let's start the tutorial. The command is replace a string dot py, my file name dot py, enter. Notice here the original string is my name is Charan. Now enter the whole string. The whole string is I want to change from Charan to Peter. When I click enter, notice after replace with the old to new, my name is Peter.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is a Python-tutorials, and here it is. Our folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now, inside this folder, I will create one new Python file called replace a string.py, and here we got the newly created Python file is open. Now, my aim is how to replace a old string or characters with a new string without using a replace function. So when you get this question in interview, just simply we need to implement the regex regular expression functionality, regex module. So first let's import the regex module, then let's write one string. One is equals to my name is Charan. After that, print the original string is str1. After that, here I am adding old string. Old string is equals to input, enter the old string. Old string is equals to, now this is the new string, enter the new string to replace old one, to replace. After that, output is equals to, here I am adding re dot sub function. The sub function takes the first string pattern. Here I am adding this old string, comma, with the new string. I am replacing with new string with this string, in this string. That's it. Let's print. After replace with old to new, the output. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Let's save this file, save all. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Now let's check the final output of our application. How to replace a old string characters with a new string without using the replace functionality. I have used the regular expression. The command is replace a string dot py, my file name dot py, enter. Notice here the original string is my name is Charan. Now enter the old string. The old string is I want to change from Charan to Peter. When I click enter, notice after replace with the old to new, my name is Peter. Now again I am changing my name is Charan. Now I am changing name to replace with ABC something, ABC. When I click enter, notice after replace with old to new, my ABC, original string is my name is Charan, the new string is my ABC is Charan. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to replace a old string characters with a new string without using a replace function. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.